Everybody's big dog. Some more stuff that I picked up. Some cool things. So let's just get right into it. So my son plays Pokemon, and his favorite Pokemon is Trico. So I saw that. So I thought that was neat. I've been buying a lot of stuff lately. I got these inbox mini fur skins. Factory sealed still. Orville T and Jagger. Now this one here, I looked these up. These guys pretty expensive for what they are. Got this Battle Troll Terminator. Neat. I know everybody hates this guy. No one likes Zilla, right? That's the Matthew Broderick one there. But I saw it because I sell these like crazy. Here you go. Dragon. No, I do like video game stuff. Here you go. Stuff like that. Super Mario Brothers. Digimon, Pokemon kind of thing. So now I got this. I thought this was pretty neat. This is the newer version of Thundercats. The lair with some figures. Have most of the figures. I'm missing Lion. No, I don't have him. I do got weapons. I gotta see what ones go with what. But I picked this up, a whole lot of it, so it's pretty good. So there's the cat. And this layer. These open up. This drops down. Now this is a little catapult. These are little boulders. I'll just flip this and throw that. Now I got Snarf. Now it's kind of funny. I have these same identical things in boxes. I've sat on for 2 years. I can't sell it, but I wanted one to get this because I wanted it so I can display it open. Then maybe I can sell the other one so people know what they're getting. It's a Wily kit. Focus. Wily cat. Shitora. She's got like a white whip or a staff or something, and that's not in here, so. It's Tiger. I have another one of these guys loose. And I have her twice new. I have her new. I think I have one more, maybe Panthro. Same with the nunchucks. clear tiger. This guy. Some mama. Here's little mama. Like I said, there's weapons. I don't know what they go to. I don't know who they go to out of this bunch. There's two of them. Little sword. I think that might go to this ring. I think goes to the Wily Kid, and I think this club goes to the Wily Cat. I don't even know what half this stuff is. So that's kind of cool. Then I have this. So one of them rides it. Look at that, flips up. I don't know, somehow it flips up, I guess. And I got this. It's the Thunder Tank. Now, I don't know if it's got a dome that goes over this. I think it looks like it might have a dome that used to go here. That's missing. But as far as everything else goes, it's there. So, like I said, I have one of these new in box. So, that was a cool pickup on all that stuff there. I wasn't going to buy it, and I said, you know what, I'll buy it. Screw it. So, what else I got real quick? My wife is a Snoopy nut. So I got these. I have a dollar box with stock. And Snoopy. It's really neat. I wound up picking these up. The new blockbuster saga Star Wars. The Jedi Search. Volume 1. So there's just like little mini figures. Got that little small X-Wing in there. Got the Interceptor. That's kind of cool. I think there was 3 different sets to this. And I don't have one of them, the Epic Collection. Heir to the Emperor. I don't have that one. Here's another one. The Truce at Bakra. So it's kind of cool. TIE Fighter. So that's going to be it on these guys. This is stuff I picked up yesterday. Again, you see anything you like, rate, subscribe, hit that like button, tell your friends. Got any questions, let me know. Till the next one. Everybody be safe. Big Dog out.